Hello friends. Today I'm going to do unboxing. I've purchased some of my collection for buy and sell, and I'm so happy with my purchase because it's really a nice pieces and a nice design, and it's really good deals. And yes, I want to share with you. So this is the box of the jewelry, and I bought 5 pieces of small jewelries so I can sell. So I bought small pendants and a chain. So 4 pendants and 1 chain. So I still have to buy more chains for these pendants. So usually I'm buying 18 carat um jewelry pieces since that it is more durable and a little bit less expensive. Actually, the prices is not that the prices are not that what do you call this one, big difference than the 21 karat gold. That this 18K is a little bit lesser, and I want to compare, and I want to show you what I've got. So the uh first design. So I've already showed you before my earring collection, and I think mm, this pendant matches those earrings. And so the first one is the flower pendant. As you can see, it's like a small flower design, and I think this is a very classical and popular design. And then the next one would be a leafy design. So it's like a glossy type leaf design. So it's very tiny, and this is 18 karat gold. And then actually I've got 2 of this leafy design, one for gloss and then one for matte. So this is the matte leafy design. And so this is how it looks like if you compare the two with it's almost the same size. And then the next one would be So these are the three pendants, lightweight pendants. So this usually comes if we sell this one, if we sell those pendants, it would be more pricey. So the fourth one is the heart design. So why it's pricey? Because according to them, it is more expensive, the light one, because they are adding the labor fee, and usually they are selling it for not per gram but per piece. So this is the chain that I have purchased. It's a very thin and it's very lightweight chain. So this is a 16 inches necklace. So it looks like very dainty and it's very classical chain. So I will show you how it looks like with the pendants, with the different designs. So this is also an 18 karat necklace. So actually I'm not recommending this kind of chains because it seems that it is very thin and it looks like it's not durable at all. But it but since that some of my friends are asking if there is like a lightweight and a good price for the necklace, it's like affordable price for the necklace. So I've got this so I can pair with the earrings and necklace, and it's very affordable price, maybe like less than 5,000 or something. So we will see how much we can sell this design with the earrings, with a pair of earrings. So this is the heart design and it looks very nice. The next one would be the flower design. So this necklace is usually for adult because it's 16 inches and this is a little bit longer. The choker type is usually 14 inches, but the regular size is 16 inches. So this is 16 inches and this is the flower design. So as we can see, it's very thin and it's very classic. So the next one would be the leafy glossy type. So with the same chain, actually the chain is comes with this type of chain. So it's like a round chain. So this is just a regular design. So with a loopy design with the small loops, and the lock is it's very soft. Although it's 18K, but it's very thin. So usually I am recommending the Cuban link design, or the one with the thick design, so it can last for a long time. Because for the thin ones, like for example, this kind of chain is a little bit fragile, and it seems that anytime anytime would will or easily be broken. So we need to be very very careful. So this is the matte design. So this is how it looks like. So anyways, this is really a good investment, because it's gold and it's 18K. And then the other one is a Tiffany design. So this is also 18 karat Tiffany design. And then there's also necklace, but this one, I think for the bracelet is a little bit lesser the price. So, and my friend is really a bracelet collector, and so she really wanted me to purchase this bracelet for her, since that she want much lesser and a good quality gold. So this is how it looks like when I wear. So this is very nice, and um the classic design also, and it looks really really heavy. But this bracelet is only, I think this is only 7 or 8 grams. So this is a hollow design, so it means it's not that heavy. So it's very good to invest in a certain piece of gold, since that gold is always appreciating or increasing market value. And when it you want to sell or to pawn, it's really uh, guaranteed that did high appraisal. So we went to some jewelry shops, and there's a lot of new designs. So usually this is the designs in the Middle East. So this one There is some like earrings, pendants with stones, and there is also a set and a locket, or you can put pictures on it. These are the name tags. So this is how they make the names. So there is also a centerpiece or a center necklace and then sets. So this is the shop. So it's all original. As we can see, it's really a nice and good design of 21 and 18 karat gold.